Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can go ahead and delete your Snapchat account. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you want to do is simply go ahead and open your Snapchat. Finally, once you have done that, you want to simply go ahead and tap on the top left profile icon right over here. Finally, once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here, where all you want to do is tap on the top right gear icon, which is going to go ahead and take you to the settings page. As you can see, I'm on my settings page, and now I want to scroll all the way down until I find I need help right over here. And now when you go ahead and tap on I need help, it's gonna go ahead and take you to a page where on the top you can simply go ahead and search for delete my account. And when you simply go ahead and search for it, you're gonna be on this page right over here, where you want to simply go ahead and tap on managing my account. And now simply go ahead and tap on deleting or reactivating my account. And now here, you want to tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account, and you're going to be on this page right over here, where all you want to do is simply go ahead and tap on go to the account portal, this hyperlink. Once you have done that, you're going to be on this page right over here, where Snapchat is going to say, oh snap, you're leaving us. If you're sure that you want to delete your account, please enter your username and password below, then press continue. So all you have to do is just go ahead and enter your username and password and click on continue, and your account will be deleted within 30 days. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.